Hi, this is Naveen from TechDash.in, and I welcome you all to the first lesson in your free digital marketing training. In this first video, we are going to learn about the concepts of digital marketing. So, in this video, we will talk about what is digital marketing, opportunity in digital marketing, how to learn digital marketing. A short intro about me. Myself, Naveen Kumar. I have a degree in IT, information technology, and I started TechDash.in. It's a tech blog in 2017. It is a tech blog and resource, and is having a good amount of visitors per month. And its present Alexa rank is 1,33,000 in global and 14,000 in India. I have been IT consultancy and also into web development with specialization in WordPress. I have been running this blog in WordPress successfully, and I've got Google AdSense, which is the Google ad program. It is basically a ad platform where you can approve your blog and get ads from Google to be displayed on your blog or website and thereby earn revenue from it. Also, after some time, my when my blog became much popular, so I have also got ad placement from third-party media agencies, which actually buy ad inventory on your blog, so they can get their ads displayed on the free space on your website, like in the front page or somewhere else. And also I have revenue generating from those ads also. So what is digital marketing? The marketing of products or services using digital channels to reach consumers. The key objective is to promote brands through various forms of digital media. Digital marketing can be done through social media, search engines, email marketing, and content marketing, video marketing, mobile marketing, and so on. Digital marketing is more affordable than traditional forms of marketing. An email or a social media campaign can transmit the same messages to customers for less money than a television ad or a newspaper one. Social media campaigns can reach a wider audience in any part of the world, because nowadays, if you see, most of the ads on the internet are coming through digital mediums, and these are all the future of advertisements. Google is fully running its revenue system through advertisements. It is the main source of income for Google, as well as if you compare it with the newspaper or TV ad, nowadays people are mostly into mobile and into laptops, so they see, people companies realize that these people are the most targetable audience. So, digital marketing opportunities. What are the different opportunities in digital marketing? Digital marketing can create your own personal branding. It helps you with your own personal branding, creating your own identity. Also, there are good jobs, and it also can help you become an entrepreneur by establishing your own digital marketing agency. We can use our digital marketing skills to build our own business. Marketing is the most important function in a business. Digital marketing jobs is one of the highest paying jobs in the industry right now. Use digital marketing skills as a source of side income through creating YouTube blogs, blogging through website blogs in a niche, like it can be a travel, food, fashion, technology, politics, education, or affiliate marketing, or any other topic of your choice. You can just start it with your own blog. You can just start writing content for your favorite topic, and content is ready for your blog to be published. So digital marketing jobs is one of the highest paying jobs, in the sense that the starting package of a digital marketing person of the starting salary for a digital marketing professional goes from 3 to 3.5 lakhs, and then it can at the very senior position it can go up to 1 crore. So now comes the question of how to learn digital marketing. Well, you can learn through books, but daily there are new trends coming up in the market. So it would be mostly and bookish knowledge is mostly theoretical, so will not have that practical thing coming to your mind. You can learn a lot of PDFs and lot of books that are very costly, but they will actually not give you the exact knowledge that you require. They can just give you an idea about what is that. But in order to learn digital marketing, you need a very practical approach, which I will give you in my video lessons. Then there are some who charge high fees starting from 30,000 rupees for a full digital marketing course, which may not be a option for everybody. But through my lessons, you can get practical knowledge free of cost, through which digital marketing can be practiced upon, which exactly you will when you will go to a real world situation. uh, you can just start implementing digital marketing through various tools available online. We will be studying digital marketing through various tools which are required for actually implementing digital marketing strategy. Use digital marketing skills as a source of side income by creating YouTube vlogs. You can start blogging and all that. You can learn through creating a blog for yourself, thereby creating your own identity. Your blog can be of your business or your favorite topic or a niche of your choice. With your blog site setup, you can share its content on social media platforms, SEO, search engine optimization, and thereby drive traffic. Also, you can experiment a lot with your blog. SEO, search engine optimization, and thereby drive traffic. Also, you can experiment a lot with your blog. Start generating revenue through Google AdSense. Other media buying agencies can approach you when you have a decent amount of visitors. You can also earn through affiliate marketing for various companies through promotion of products on your blog by writing content for their products and services and giving them sales leads. So we'll come across more videos in digital marketing from me, and in those videos I will be going in detail about the tools we will be requiring for digital marketing training. And if you have any queries, you can mail me at naveen@tech-in. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.